Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting hardware and software so you can act fast. Connect Esp32, microphone and speaker. Power the amp at 3V. Once ready, install Arduino IDE and add Esp32 board support so uploads work. Next, install libraries for i2's audio and HTTP client. These let the board record and send audio. Finally, create or obtain a cloud speech API key. Make sure you save the key string securely, because the Esp32 will authenticate with it. You now wire recording to networking. Configure i2s for 16.000Hz and 16-bit samples so speech models get clean audio. Once configured, record short chunks and buffer them. This reduces latency. Encode the buffer as PCM or FLAC. FLAC shrinks upload size. Then post the audio to the speech API over HTTPS and await JSON. When you get text back, parse it and build a TTS request. This two-step flow converts mic input into spoken responses. You finish by streaming TTS audio to the speaker through i2s or a DAC. Manage small output buffers to avoid glitches and set comfortable volume. Once done, add a wake word engine or a simple push button so you use API calls sparingly and avoid false activations. Finally, implement retries and status LEDs for feedback. If things go wrong, check serial logs, confirm Wi-Fi and API key, verify sample rate matches the model, and monitor quota limits before increasing complexity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.